How do you identify and select key accounts? My first suggestion is to start small and get your program running effectively. I'd suggest no more than 2 or 3 to start with, and first of all decide what you will offer them that will differentiate how you handle them compared to the rest of your customer base. And the number of key accounts should always remain relatively small. Even major international companies with multi-million-pound turnovers have less than 100 key accounts. And the average for smaller national organisations is usually no more than 5 to 15. And probably no more than 5 for an SME. So how do you select these key accounts? It's up to you, and you need to give much thought to this, because it can be very different for many companies. So here's a few suggestions and cautions. 1. It could be the larger and most profitable accounts. However, don't ignore the potentially large accounts of the future. Little acorns often produce the largest trees. So it's not the current sales that are the only consideration. 2. How about the accounts you want to keep at all costs? The ones your competitors would love to have. But what if the costs will exceed the profits by offering even more to them? Do you really want to lose money conducting business with them? 3. Are they or should they be the customers your staff are spending most of their time focusing on? But maybe they're wasting much of their time by focusing on the wrong customers. 4. Could they be the ones where you know for sure there is a massive amount of new and profitable new business you could be doing with them? But I do mean for sure. 5. Are they the customers that constantly demand more from you and you have the most contact with? And another but. Are their constant demands also generating more new business, or do they just represent additional costs to you? Selecting key accounts must have a solid business rationale behind them. Your CEO regularly going to a football match with them or playing golf with them is not a good reason to select them. And beware, it's easy to offer access to your CAM program, but very difficult to take it away if it's not working out for you. So select your key accounts with great care.